Hello everyone. Why do I think that the trade agreement between the United States and China is not the catalyst that markets are looking for? First, because the global slowdown that we're seeing right now is not due to the differences in trade between the United States and China. That slowdown was already quite evident and starting to happen already before there was any type of problems with trade. Secondly, because if there is a trade agreement, it will be predominantly on the fringes. It will be something that affects a few things here and there, but maximum impact on global GDP is going to be 0.1%. So very, very, very limited. Not just that, but we also need to understand that both sides have an incentive to keep things as close to status quo as they are right now. Therefore, it is very unlikely that a trade agreement between the United States and China is going to revert the trend of the global slowdown. It might reduce and put a little bit of less pressure on sentiment, on perception of risk, but definitely not make a change on the trend. Secondly, what's most important about it is that this trade agreement comes at the peak of stimulus in both China and in the United States and the Eurozone. Therefore, the slowdown is much more driven by debt saturation rather than differences in trade. There might be an agreement, but don't consider it a catalyst to reverse the trend of the slowdown, because that has many other factors driving it rather than just some differences in trade.